The resistance band speed skater is an athletic, plyometric exercise that improves cardiovascular health while improving strength and power in the glutes, hamstrings, quadriceps, and core. The resistance band increases the tension on the lower body while requiring more core strength, balance, and stability. To get started, loop the resistance band around a sturdy object at hip height. Step inside the resistance band and place it around your glutes. Move away from the attachment point until you feel resistance in the band. Get in an athletic stance with your knees slightly bent and hips pushed back. Bend the knee of the outside leg and explosively push off with the inside leg as you hop away from the sturdy object. Land on the other leg while swinging your arms as if you were a speed skater. Contract your abs to stick the landing, pause to feel a contraction in your glutes, then without touching your raised foot to the ground, explosively push off with your planted foot to hop back to your other leg. Repeat bounding back and forth for time or reps, then turn around and complete the reps on the opposite side. Subscribe to get a new exercise video every day.